Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to log into your Artsonia account. There is a direction sheet in our Google Classroom that's titled Logging into your Artsonia account. If you scroll through, you can see it's step by step, but we're going to go through it together, but you'll have this as a reference. So to begin, you're going to click on the link for Artsonia. Open that up. And in the upper right corner, you want to log in. Now, mine is already logged in, so it says my name. I'm going to click log out just for this purpose. Okay, and then I'm going to click login again. All right, which type of account do you have? So you guys have an artist account. Click the blue circle. And then it gives you two different options for logging in. One is to type in a screen name or a password. We're going to skip that part and click that blue hyperlink that says go to classroom portal. Click that. Again, you're prompted with two options. We could log in with our Google account, or you can log in with your school access code. I added the school access code in that document. So if you want to just click it, copy it, and then paste it in here, that's a super quick way to get us in. Then you can either select which grade you're in, which will prompt which classroom teacher you have. Or if that's not finding it for you, you can always click all students and begin to type the first few letters in your name. So as you can see, there are school projects and your art gallery. So I'd like you to log in, look through your gallery. You can click view details, add a new title, and add a new statement. That's it, you guys. Enjoy!